And for all the tourists in those hotels, they're pretty bummed out with the weather we've had this weekend. Ashlee DeMartino, tracking all the cloud cover for us again today. Good morning.
Good morning. They should just come back next weekend because that's when things are going to be really good and perfect beach weather for us. We have to make it through the next couple of days as this gradual cooling trend is happening for us. It's all because of a system that's coming our way. And outside right now this morning, we do have cloudy skies. We have low marine clouds that are pushing in. We got one little cloud on this map that is showing some light drizzle just off the coast of La Jolla. Just check the satellites and radars, not picking up anything just yet. That might just be a very heavy mist that's moving through that area. Temperatures are a few degrees cooler this morning than they were yesterday. Winds are nice and light, much stronger, of course, in our local mountains right now where our wind gusts are over 20 miles per hour. Wind advisory is in place until 6 p.m. this evening for the mountains and the deserts of San Diego County. This will switch at 6 p.m. to a high wind warning when we're expected those winds gusts to be over 60 miles per hour through our Monday and into our Tuesday morning. So the winds are going to be something we'll have to deal with. Low pressure system slow moving. This will start to make its way across the Rockies as we head into late today, well into the start of Monday. The moist onshore flow is going to continue for us. And it really is going to get strong. It increases, it deepens the marine layer over the next 24 hours for us as well, which means we could be dealing with at the start of the week some areas of some patchy fog for us. Temperatures for us this afternoon, we will be at 60 for Poway, 65 for Chula Vista, 63 for Oceanside, and we'll see 60 up in Julian if you take that day trip up there. We will be seeing that chance of showers on Monday, but then just cloudy skies heading into Tuesday, making it the coolest day of the week with an expected high of 61 along the coast. On Tuesday, inland will be at 60 degrees, but a great warm up. That's what I was talking about. We will be in the 80s by Thursday for us. Coming up in just 10 minutes, we'll take a look at weather where you live.
Ashlee, thank you.